to trade futures on Plus500, which is available to users in the United States through a dedicated platform. You first need to open the Plus500 website and click on the Start Trading Now button. After completing the registration process by providing the necessary personal information, you will have created your account. The next step is to fund your account by navigating to the Funds option and ensuring you have sufficient money to trade futures. You can add money directly from your bank account to your Plus500 account. Once your account is set up and funded, you can explore the available futures to invest in by searching for the name of the future in the search bar. For example, typing S&P 500 inches will give you the relevant results. Selecting the first option will open a graph, and you can buy the futures by clicking the Buy button on the right side. Entering the number of contracts you want to purchase, selecting the order type, and managing your risk using options such as stop-loss trading. After following these steps, click the Place Order button to complete the purchase. Your selected future will be purchased in your Plus500 account. If you want to practice before trading with real money, you can toggle on the Demo Account option, which allows you to build and test your trading strategy before switching to a live trading account.